All right, baby's finally quiet, so let's try this again.
Yeah. All right.
On broke single father kitchen.
I don't even know what I'd be doing at that point. All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Living Between Paychecks. I'm Jack.
And I'm Oz. And today we're going to do another pasta dish, but this one's going to be a little nicer, a little fancier. It's going to make you feel special when you take that somebody back to your house. You're like, yeah, I totally cooked this. We're going to work on a shrimp Alfredo with pasta. Check it out. Well, it's very simple. You got the frozen shrimp that are already boiled, but they're still frozen. I think it costs us like $4 all total. Alfredo sauce is $1 something. We got 2 cans. I usually use 2, but I'm only going to use 1. Our garlic, about 20 cents. And the pasta, which was like $1 maybe.
Yeah, it's the cheapest we could find.
And now, if Goodfellas taught me anything, is you can slice this with a razor and it'll melt when it hits the grease. But the only razor I have is a Mach 3, and it just kind of shaves it and gums up my razor. So just chop it up as fine as possible. Dice it up a little bit, you'll be fine.
Minced garlic.
Minced, smashed, kind of screwed up, thrown against the wall. That's fucked up garlic. That's all that is.
That garlic looks pretty beat up.
Yeah. Well, I'm a fan of garlic, so it doesn't bother me too much. I only cut my finger once. We didn't exactly measure the water. You're going to need about 4 cups or half to 3/4 of your pot to do that. And you're going to put that on high so it'll boil. And then put your skillet or frying pan at about medium high. Say it with me, class.
Same as always.
Medium high. Put a little oil in here. I forgot that my shrimp was frozen, so I didn't need to put the oil. If your shrimp isn't frozen, put it in there so they won't stick while you're heating them up. These shrimp are already cooked. They're boiled, right? Boiled and peeled and deveined. So you just need to warm them up, defrost them, get the ice and water out there. So you can see I've just been kind of stirring it, getting that water and seawater off of them.
It's already a ton of water.
Yeah.
So why do we never defrost anything here?
Well, mostly it's because of time constraints. People come home from work, they don't want to, have to worry about 2 hours of defrosting or something. Or they don't want to leave it out for pets or animals or bugs.
Okay, true enough.
Alright, so when we're straining our noodles and our stuff, and we're going to be using a colander or strainer here from the backwoods where I live. And if you don't have one of these, it's not a big deal. You can strain this stuff by putting either a lid or a plate over it and gingerly dumping it, right? But one of these helps. Again, 25 cents at the resale shop, and it's really nice. So once you get it, all the ice and stuff melted and everything warmed up, take it over to your holy bowl, strain out all that water and that nasty, and just bring back just the shrimp. Is that on there? Again, this is where you put your garlic in. You don't want to, get all the oil out of it and cooked off.
You don't want to lose your garlic.
So you put it in now. Yeah. Stir it around, let that simmer a little bit. Again, your water should be on the heat this entire time, and it takes a little while. Hopefully you're steaming something good. Alright, once you get that in there, you get your Alfredo sauce, right? Try to get the stuff off the lid, it always sticks. And then just pour it right in there on top of that stuff. Use your spoon, scrape it all out. It's going to take forever. You got to put it in there.
You weren't wrong about it taking forever. It goes on.
That's a lot of cheesy Alfredo goodness to get in there.
True enough.
Start around, get everything covered, and then put it on the heat. You want to turn it down a little bit so you don't scorch your cheese sauce here.
Oh, burnt cheese.
Yeah, it's not happy. And then, again, go back to your lid and get that off. That's half a fork full.
You're too broke to throw that out.
Right. And speaking of not throw anything out, don't throw out that glass jar. Keep that. That's good for storing stuff in it or, using it as a drinking glass. Now, you want to put that in the simmer, put it in the back, and then just go ahead and move this and try to put it on that big lucky burner we know. Now, when you have a chance, take this and clean it out. We're going to use that later for our drinking glass like I was telling about. Now, get this nice boil. Use that hand cover. You're going to burn the pookie out of yourself. That's a nice rolling boil. That's what that looks like on film. That's nice to see. And then just take that pasta and put it right in there. Now, we used a penny. You can use any kind of pasta. I like it just because it's small. I don't have to chew as much because I'm lazy. And my thing was on fire.
You trying to set your mitt on fire, huh?
I didn't feel it. That's how cool that was. Because if I wasn't wearing that would have been my hand, and everybody would have loved the video. We need to reshoot this. I'll give it a little stir. Just keep it in there where the stuff on the bottom doesn't burn and stick to it. And burnt pasta sucks. Every now and then I'll bring a piece out and kind of check the texture of it, see how hard it is. Pasta is another one of those things that's kind of subjective. People like it, what is it, al dente, where it's still like half raw in the middle and crunches, and that's disgusting, and I won't do it.
I need my noodles soft.
We don't salt the water either, because again, Gulf Coast, everything here is salt anyway. And last time careful, that's hot. I just use, the long knife there, kind of push it and then use my finger.
Again?
It's still hot, but got enough calluses cooking for you people that it doesn't bother me that much.
A few minutes later.
Yeah, just pull them out and just check it periodically every couple of minutes or so. Be careful if it goes to try to boil over. Just, remove it from the heat, turn the heat down a little bit. I heard once that you can take a wooden spoon, lay it across the top, and it'll keep it from doing that. I don't trust my wooden spoon that much.
No.
Once you get it, take it to your holy bowl, your bowl full of holes, and strain it. Make sure to strain it real good because you don't want water sitting in your Alfredo sauce. Right?
Aw.
It's gross. Now, there's a couple of different ways this is done. You set the pasta on the plate, put the sauce on top of it. My family always just takes it and puts it in one big pot and mixes it together. That way you can store it when you're done. Right? So your pasta's been sitting. It's still warm. Pasta has just come off. It's warm. I just put it all in the same bowl and mix it up.
You can mix it in there. Why not?
Again, this is just one of those jars. It was like $1, right? And took it and put it in there. If you want like extra sauce, or you just hate yourself and just want more cheese,
add in that other can.
put it in that other jar of cheese in there. It's not a problem. And you kind of see, just stir it. Make sure that Alfredo gets all over everything, because nobody wants naked pasta. And then you're done. Serve it in a bowl. Get your tea in your newly jar. Clean it out. Clean it up first. Oh, you don't want Alfredo in your tea. That is
Alfredo
nasty.
tea? No.
But season it after that. Salt and pepper, whatever you want to put on it. I think I just put a little bit of salt and pepper on this. It was fine. And the Alfredo and the garlic made it perfect. And so it's something that totally comes across as a perfect date night meal. Cost us $7 and serves, 3-4 people at least once, or a fat guy twice. Well, there we go. Thank you for joining us on Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. We'll see you next week. We do these videos every Tuesday and Friday. You can find us on social media at Living Between, over on Instagram, or on Facebook, Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Easy to find us. Also, while you're here, like, share, subscribe, push the little bell notification, when these things pop up, Tuesdays and Fridays. And share, like us, please. Like us. The more you do that, the more we can get this done. Thanks.